guys, we'll catch a fire, you know. We'll do some butchering today. We'll kill some chicken today. Yeah, me get all this? Yeah, you know, so when you reach 30, you're closer to 40. Or when you're 40, you're closer to 30, so soon for your time to kick your bucket, you know? Alright. Alright guys, so fire kettle now, so I turn over which one the pot and thing. Make water go hot. Yeah, because I don't say want warm water to pick off the chicken them. Yeah. So when time the water hot and thing, come back again. Water hot. Way too hot. Water too hot. The boil. Watch some water tonight and cool back down. What guys? So I'm full on my water. So I'm going to put it in the buckle, so I'm going to crop myself too. Feather them out of it, I don't know if we don't have feather power meat. So I try to pick off all like small feather. In there, just take time pick up all like feather them off of them. The neck part, I not pick up feather, I now waste time pick up because it's a cut off, so I now waste time on that. Or before them yellow something off of him. Alright, go on now.
Flowers.
Let's see man there. Yes, peeps, so smell chicken done, clean up and clean some lime water and thing. So, in there. Clean and nice. So I get them seasoned now. See, and clean and pretty. Get them seasoned, because I throw them on the grill later. Me personally don't like what time chicken clean or kill. I don't like when chicken kill and cook same time, you know, so I season them and put them on the fridge until later. Some salt, you know. Now put more salt, I don't know if season of one salt. I don't know. Maggi season. See there? Maggi all purpose. And then you guys, when a matter season, you know, just throw season until the ancestors say stop. And also we have with purchase spices there. Jamaican jerk season. No MSG. See what you mean now guys. So today scallion, pepper, sea salt, see the cayenne vinegar, onion, garlic, pimento, thyme. See? So add in and stir him up and say look if we want more, but add more. Start in the season, you know. Guys. So I put the chicken in the fridge, make it go and marinate. Put all the season under the skin and all that. Alright. So that's that guys. chicken and season up. Put it in the fridge. I'll be saying I'm not like when chicken like fresh kill and cook. So put it in the fridge and things. So next 3 hour time, I'm gonna add this to the jerk pan onto the grill because I jerk it. Yeah man guys, so I go on there. I try chicken now. I don't know the regular thing. The regular grill pan. Yeah. So we're getting chicken in now. So chicken in well seasoned already. So I'll get them on now. But then go on them things. Put them on the can here, what they call it, sizzling. Yeah man, the grill well hot. Smelling nice, flavor ready. The guys. So we have the chicken liver. I'm going to roast the more, you know. And we onto 3 neck. Yeah man guys, 3 chicken we killed this morning. Some of just throw them on the grill. This now, at season water, I go choke on them, you know. Keep chicken them hydrated because I don't want them dry out. Yeah man, so and then go on to them thing, you know. Yeah man, close it back down. Today the 200, man to about 350. So when you close down now, it will go up back to temperature. That is it guys. Yes guys, so I'll go on there. Chicken donor is still got one left. So I'm gonna turn them, wet them, and thing. I'm gonna make a sorrel sauce. Rub on them, you know. Alright guys, so we have sorrel juice, right? Barbecue sauce and ketchup and sugar. So I'm put it into the fire now. And take up because this is how you can braise the chicken, you know. This is how we chicken. And as I say, I chicken them that are going soak because they catch color already and basically cook, so I then go and soak them both 80%. They're about 80% complete. Yeah man, about 80% complete. Yeah man. So put it on the fire. You go and do thing. So after that, you know, say look, you know. Say look. So I'm gonna say add the sorrel sauce, so the sorrel juice, add ketchup, barbecue sauce, and sugar to it, and put it and pan it, you know. Yeah man, so now get the fire with them, take it off. After that, so eat 5 minutes today. Lower.